G'day, it's Glenn from Wurth, and today we're going to talk about a product with a quirky name called the goniometer. So, the goniometer stems from the word goniometry, which refers to the range and degree of angle. The goniometer 350 refers to the length of our level here. So 350 mil, 35 centimetres. It's made of aluminium, powder coated in red obviously, designed and manufactured in Germany. Really nice quality, this tool. There's a little bit of weight about it. It's about 300 grams in weight. Very sturdy. Now what you'll see here is that it works on an elbow system. We've got our horizontal level bubble and our vertical plumb bubble. And then we have our arm. Now the arm works on an elbow. As we move the arm, we get a digital reading on our large digital screen to give us the angle. So the LED screen works off two AAA batteries. So very easy and straightforward to use. Fantastic tool for working out, for example, the pitch of a roof. Very quick and easy to do. So any questions on our goniometer, please leave in our comments. Don't forget to like our page, and remember, goniometer, ready for work.